Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Dadav. So our today's topic is main method. So today's date is 8 February. So we will get started. So first of all, what is a main method? So main method it is a entry point to start or execute of a program. So every Java application has at least one class and at least one main class. Normally, in an application consists of many classes and only have one main method. This is the type of inheritance. So in and its syntax of main method is always public stats void main string array. So all you can only change the name of strings. Like for example, you can change the arg to my strings arg, and so we cannot change or imply any another changes in this format. So what is public? So it's public in it is a access specifier. So we should use the public keyword to before the main method, so that JVM can JVM can identify the execution of the point of the program. So if we use the private or protected or default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. So the next one is statics. So we can make a method statics by just using keyword static. So we can call the main method without using or creating an object. So static method are the method which can invokes with creating the objects. So we do not need or open any object to call the main method. So what is void? So void in Java means it is a method having return type. So in this, void keyword is used or as a compiler that the main method do not return any value. So in that, next one is main. So it is a default signature which is predefined in JVM. So it is called as JVM. So it called by JVM to execute the program by line, and at the end of the execution, the completion of this method, we can also overload the main method. So next one is string array. So in this, the main method also accept some data from users, so like parameters and so on. So it accepts the groups of strings which is called as string arrays. So each holds the commands, line arguments, forms and so on. So how execution of this process take place? So first of all, JVM executes the states of block, then it executes the static method, then it's create an object needed by program, and finally it executes the instance method. So JVM executes a statics block. On that highest priority goes to statics block, and even before it talks to the main method in the program.